Good morning, family and friends. Sending you all loads and loads of love today. We are dealing with a younger man that is goal driven and doing things that are risky. But know that you are being protected from negative forces that are working against you. You are choosing peace and harmony and love over the chaos. Um, yes, we are still having heartache and over things that no longer are part of our lives, and that does sting a little bit. But we must now tune into the energy of love that's in the air. There are increases coming in your material wealth and your spiritual wealth, and that's going to bring brightness in all areas of your life. You know that this is my wish for you all. There is money coming your way, or property through an inheritance, or winning, or a windfall. You must be loyal to those that you love. And they say that a time of great prosperity is coming. You must prepare yourself now already. You are highly thought of by your loved ones and angels in the heavens. Where you were feeling tied down or frustrated, you asked your angels and spirit guides for help, and there are opportunities and windfalls coming your way. It's going to bring you balance and increase in your money. You are never alone, they say. They hear your prayers. As far as work achievement and success goes, we have had periods of frustration, we had lessons to learn, but there's an end to that now. We moving into a positive new energy, and we are having how do they put it? You're on the right path regarding some aspects of your life. Now is your lucky time. And Spirit wants you to take one step at a time and know that love heals fear. They want you to relax. Everything is going to be okay. Have a lovely Valentine's Day, everybody. Spread the love. Love you all.